Oh, is it going already?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi! So we are back with another video. In our last video, we opened 5 pops, and we they're not pops actually. They are the Disney Pint Size Heroes, and we already have. Just to recap, we have Belle, Beast, Minnie, and
2 monkeys.
2 monkeys, which is Louie. So yeah, so we went to Boomerang Comics, which is near my apartment, and we just happened to find a box there, and we grabbed 6 of them. So we'll go ahead and open these up.
All right,
we think we have an Ariel and a Buzz.
Buzz and a Mickey.
We for sure have a Mickey. There's no way.
All right, you go first. What's yours?
Is this the Mickey one?
I don't know.
This? Wait.
Does it have enormous ears?
Okay, no, that's the body. It's hard to tell. There's something. Is this the alien? I think this. No. It could be.
Make a guess. You got it.
I don't know. I want to say it's the alien, but it's probably not. It could be like Mowgli or something. I'm so bad at this.
I think we got another Ariel.
I'm gonna say alien or Mowgli. I have no idea though. In the last video, he got like all of them and I got none.
That was pretty good. Pretty good. Oh! Did not expect that one. Nice.
Zerg! Sweet.
Sweet. I'm pretty sure this is another Belle.
You think so?
Yep. Because I felt the
Oh,
bun.
because he felt that thing.
I didn't feel the bun when I...
Maybe that was the
got
one we just grabbed.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to say Belle. And it's going to be... not!
It's Ariel!
We don't have
yeah!
either of these
Two
yet.
new ones.
2 lucky new ones.
Sweet. Okay. Sweet, you were wrong.
What? She had it in a bun, and then when I opened it, she took it out of the bun. I swear I felt the bun. Alright.
This one feels pretty, like, not too much going on the top.
No? That one might be the Buzz.
Is this what you thought was Buzz?
I think so.
Maybe. Well, no, there's some.
Maybe it's one of like the even rarer ones that we don't even know of.
No.
No.
I don't know. I can't tell. This could be Ursula.
Please don't be Ursula.
He doesn't want Ursula for whatever reason. Why not?
I really want Buzz.
Poor unfortunate soul. You're
Open
a
up
poor
that
unfortunate soul.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, Ruby.
I would say I'm like 4 out of 5 on being right. I missed one.
Dang.
But that's a Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue.
3 new ones.
Sweet.
We are
We're on a roll.
Alright, this one I'm gonna say is, hold on. I found the body. Oh.
I can't find the body.
I feel something on one side but not the other. So it could be friggin' Ursula. Or maybe Mowgli, because he has the...
Is this one Belle? This one might be Belle.
Let me see it. I'm gonna say it's Mowgli. So let's open it.
This one's Belle.
And boom! What's up?
This one's Belle. Watch, watch, watch.
So we have 4 new ones. We now have Mowgli.
This one's Belle. Like, yep,
Is it?
yellow.
Oh yeah. I'm okay
Belle.
with this duplicate. This is a cool one.
She's cute. Oh. Belle.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. So we have 1 left?
Yeah, and only
It's
one
not
duplicate
gonna be an
so far.
alien.
It's not.
I don't think so. I'm scared.
Jordy,
Oh, that's gonna
yeah.
be Mickey.
Yeah.
It's Mickey.
It's Mickey.
Rip it up.
We figured this one out with our super good
Skills.
sleuthing skills. We got a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
What's
Sweet.
up?
So again, only 1 duplicate out of all of the ones that we have.
that was a really
Technically, no duplicates out of these.
Yeah.
But since we already have them.
You wanna show the other 3?
Yeah.
That is awesome. sweet.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna say peace out and we're gonna go
watch this.
Toy Story. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.
Bye.